Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1062S in color code 003. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are a full rim wraparound shape. The lenses are gray, and on its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens, and it has a gold band around the lens. The temples are black, and you'll find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code and dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 125 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci dust bag with a Gucci logo in gold on the dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a black Gucci case, although color and style may vary, with a Gucci logo on the inside of the case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.